Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you everyone? I hope everyone is well. I am also fine by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So at this moment I am standing my father's vegetable gardens, and there are a lot of banana trees, mango trees, and sugar cane. Most of the time I notice that my father spend a lot of time in this garden. Whenever I have a free time, that time I try to come my father's vegetable gardens. When I see different types of fruits in my father's gardens, that time I am over the moon. So actually, after fearing my assault salah, I have come my father's vegetable gardens. So I think it will be better if I do the a blog about my father's vegetable garden. Actually, at this moment my father is working in my father's vegetables garden. So everyone pray for my father's vegetable garden, so that may Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala donate a lot of fruits in my father's garden. So finally, everyone, health is wealth. Barakallahu feekum. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.